Curriculum differentiation is one of the key strategies to ensure that the curriculum is accessible to all learners in the classroom. This means that as teachers, we should be planning our lessons based on the needs of our learners and find ways to differentiate the curriculum so that all learners can access learning. This short film demonstrates how one teacher has utilized rap culture as a means to teach multiples in maths. Yes, the method is unconventional, but yet very innovative and creative in using a medium that is relevant, appealing, and at the level of the child.
Music, you will listen to tracks, you'll get the lyrics, and you'll remember it, and you'll know it, and that's at the surface level. And a lot of times, a lot of the work we want to teach is the stuff we want the kids just to remember. So using music in the class, in that sense, it's key. A lot of times we just speak and kids don't listen to it because as adults and kids we find it boring or monotonous, so we just sit. But when you bring the music element in, kids will tend to remember it. Also, it's more fun, it's more exciting, and it stimulates more senses. Hey,
I want you to have fun. And when this
you guys feel like robots now, huh? Hey,
we will all be winners. Bounce. 9,
18, 27, 36, 40, 50, 63, 72, 81.
90.
You can move, Woo, 9, 18. The reason I'm using rap is also because it's the genre of music that kids today are most connected to. So it makes sense to use rap in the class, because if I'm going to use a different genre that's not as cool as all the learners are not as connected to, they might not want to participate as much because it's not the in thing. So in that sense, rap stands out for them and they want to participate in it. Like we said, today we're going to start working on a multiples of 9. But we're going to do it with a bit of a twist, okay? We're going to do it using rap. So it's going to be a bit of a rap multiple math vibe. You good? So the starting point for today's lesson was I would play the song. And you can use a Bluetooth speaker with a cell phone that I use. You can use a CD player in the class. So I first let the kids listen to it and loosen up and warm up and vibe with it and get them to move, because usually maths is this very stiff thing which is very boring and the kids just sit like that. So it takes a while for the kids to actually get used to this. Like some teachers have to get used to it. Multiples of 9.
We will all be winners. Bounce. 9,
18, 27, 36.
55, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
You can vibe with it.
119, 18, 27, 36,
40, 50.
63, 72.
Listen, here's the fast part.
92, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. 92, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81.
Cool. Thereafter, I will rap it for the kids myself. And usually when I rap it, today I just started at 9, but I would go from multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, whatever. I rap a few of it, and the kids are usually blown away by the kids. It's like, yo, wow, sir, that is quite, sir. Or they give all the crazy remarks. After I rapped it, I asked them, are you ready to do this? And like, yeah, sir, we want to do this. And then we do it in portions. For example, today we did multiples of 9. It goes 927, 36, 45, and it goes up until 117. But we do it one piece at a time. So we'll start with 9, 18, 27. So I'll write it on the board, and we'll do it over and over in the class. We'll go 9, 18, 27. 9, 18, 27, 9. Keep going, keep going. 27. Keep going. 9, 18, 27, 9, 18. Hey, 27. And don't move, 27, 9, 18, 27. Thereafter, I will leave 9, 18, 27 written on the board, and I'll write the next 3 multiples on the board. So it goes 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. And we'll just focus on 36, 45, 54. We're going 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 again. 9, 18, 27. Keep going.
45, 54, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
Thereafter, I tell them to go from the beginning, from 9 till 45, but I'll take the first 3, I'll erase the first 3 multiples. It goes 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So the kids can only see 36, 45, 54, but they're starting from 9, 18, 27, so they're practicing it without seeing it already. Now we're going from the start till here. We good? Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Okay. Now we're going back to 9 again, okay? Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 18, 27, 36, 40, 54, 63, 72, 81, 9. Woo! Way better. 36, 40, 54, 63, 72, 81, 9, and again. 18, 27, 36, 40, hey, 72, 81. Okay, cool, well done. Give yourself a round of applause there. It was beautiful. It shows kids a cool side and a fun side and a different, beautiful side of mathematics instead of the boring, normal way. So kids get exposed to, oh man, that is actually the coolest thing ever. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 9, 18, 27, 36, 40, 50, hey, 72, 81. Well done. Give yourselves a round of applause. Come on. Thereafter, there's a very fast part of the song. So you'll see when we start doing the very fast part, the 9, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. That we do more for fun and to eat at home. But even if the kids battle there, they already have the first part, which means they've got their multiples of 9 down. We're doing this part now. This part, we're going 9, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. You good for that part? Yes, sir. I'm going to put the numbers on the board so you can read it and do it, and we'll get it eventually. 9, 27, 36. It's not 9, 27, 36. As the close, I'm going to come to being Eminem, maybe. You know, one of those rappers that rap so fast. So I'm doing my own rap. The very last part of the process is actually showing them how to use this to tackle a multiples question. So now what we do is we will write 9 times 6 on the board. So we're going 9 till 6, so we go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So 9 times 6 is 54. Then we do a couple of questions in the class. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. We're at a grade 3 class now, and I was in this class last week, and I taught the grade 3s their multiples of 9. Now, grade 3s are not supposed to know their multiples of 9 yet. This class doesn't. All I applied was the same technique that you've seen with the grade 6 class. So it works, and we're going to walk into the class now, and the class will probably, I'll just give them a get-go, and they'll start doing it. 5, 6, 7, go!
9, 18, 37, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 197.
Woo! Give yourself a round of applause. You see there, it works. That's straight up. Last week they still got it.